has not seen yet. So Jerry's now going to present to us a home and away two-piece set that is all about the pure canvas. Now, Laura is known for her primers, but this one is the illuminating primer. So if your skin feels dull, lackluster, and you remember there was a time in your life where you had more of a glow, a youthfulness about your skin, this is the primer to work with. Here's the bottle that stays at home in the makeup bag or in the makeup drawer, and this is the bottle when you're traveling you bring with you. Or in my case, I already have a little girl who loves to wear makeup, so this is my mommy bought herself something, and daughter, here you go. So on sale today, $46. That saves you $25. Normally the large size alone costs $46. So you're getting the away basically for free. So try it tonight. And Jerry, this is different than the original primer. This illuminizes our skin.
This is illuminate, yes. So this has encapsulated luminous pearls in it that gives that instant vitality and radiance.
Yeah, come in close because even the little pearl, speaking of pearls, even the pearl drop you're going to use, you can see this gorgeous like glow and effervescence to it.
It's just beautiful, and it's not going to make you look like a disco ball, but again, it's just going to give that instant radiance to your skin. I mean, just look at the difference.
Wow.
How it just...
It's a youthfulness. It's a hydration almost.
It's super lightweight, so again, you're not going to look like a disco ball, and you know my motto. You know, it's a beauty crime not to prime.
Oh!
So
you should patent that little rhyme.
should patent that.
Wait, say it again so I can commit it to memory.
It's a beauty crime not to prime. If you want to extend the wear of your makeup, you want to use a primer. This is why Laura Mercier created this primer. It's 85% skincare infused. It's super, super hydrating on the skin. Not only is it going to give instant luminosity to your skin, but it's also going to help with reducing the size of your pores. Which is
I already put a little on, you can tell, but look at this formula, Jerry.
It's so nice.
And it feels good. So when you talk about skincare, to me it feels more like a high-end moisturizer than any kind of like wet gel or thick paste. It's fabulous on the skin.
Yeah, no, it's so, so good. So let's take a look at Lorraine. Okay, so Lorraine has it on one side of her face.
And it's one color suits all skin?
It's one color suits all skins, great for all skin types. So let's take a look at the difference. This is Lorraine, okay? So she has it on right here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go right in, and you can be generous with this. Not only can you use a primer, this particular primer, underneath your makeup, you can also use it on top of your skincare to seal in your skincare. Yeah, no, I love it.
And you just use your finger for application?
You can use your fingers for application. So just, again, I want you guys to look at the difference, okay? Illuminated side, lightly illuminated. Now I'm gonna just go right on in and just apply this.
You're giving us the skin that people want and that people like stop and say, excuse me, what do you wash your face with? What is your moisturizer? And it's a primer. You get both sizes, by the way, for less than what the large size would cost. It saves you $25. And look at what it does to the skin. But this is the Laura Mercier difference. Like, Laura knows how to give you that flawless face.
I mean, look how beautiful that is. That is always in.
And that's just primer.
It's just primer. There's no makeup on the face. It's just primer. And again, it has all those hydrating benefits to it. It's going to help, of course, it's going to give a luminosity to the skin and brighten up the skin. But again, it's also going to reduce the pore size as well, which is another reason why I like to keep it cold and on ice. I learned that from Laura Mercier herself. She likes to keep it cold or keep it in the refrigerator because it helps tighten up those pores.
Oh, so my ladies who have hit the age of possibility, that's what we say when we're 50 plus. I'm almost there by a few years. So I already call myself the age of possibility because I'm no longer in my 30s or my young 40s. I see those pores all the time. But Jerry, here's what I would love to remind everybody. We don't have a lot to go around. You have not seen this at QVC before, and look at how we do it, which is very different than the retail stores. You're gonna pay $46 for the larger size, 1 ounce, at those big beauty stores. At QVC, why not spend your $46 but get the away size too? Because once you use it, it is a crime not to prime, so you're going to want to travel with it too. And you get both pieces sent home with free shipping and handling. Now, for those who don't understand this whole priming idea, it's gorgeous alone, but if I like a thicker foundation, I want to build some coverage. How does primer work with foundations?
So it works great with foundations because what the primer is going to do is going to help the foundation adhere to your skin. It also helps fill in those pores, fine lines, a little bit of wrinkles.
So the makeup doesn't sit in the pores?
So it doesn't sit into the, because foundation could be your best friend, but it can also be your worst enemy, right? So that's why you want to use a primer. And again, with this illuminating primer, even if you have mature skin and you're afraid of anything with pearl in it, it might highlight things that you wanted to highlight. No, you don't have to worry about it with this. 85% skincare infused. I mean, it's really like you putting skincare on your face.
I mean, you'll see the instant results. And first of all, I put way too much on. Like, don't put this much on. But I just want you to see that beautiful sheen. And that it really does look like crushed pearls and diamonds together.
Yes.
But it feels like skincare. And as you continue to use it and wear it, you'll find that there's a difference in your skin. And I don't just mean when the primer's on, but even washing your makeup off at night when that primer's been sitting on your skin all day. Watch what happens. In fact, Jerry, there was a test. So in 7 days use, can you tell me what happened?
Yes, in an instrumental test, participants demonstrated an improvement in skin's hydration immediately after applying and 7 days after use. In expert grade analysis, participants demonstrated an improvement in the look of their skin's radiance and skin smoothness immediately after applying and after 7 days of use.
I mean, it's skincare and primer all in one.
All in one.
Think about what we spend on our skincare. More than $46, right? Sometimes triple digits for skincare. This is skincare. And then it's your luminosity. I mean, if we look at our model again, there's a reason Laura Mercier, the artist and the brand, is known for perfecting skin and giving you that flawless look. So if you're not using primer, try this one. Or if you are using a primer, but you wouldn't mind having more of a youthful glow, try this first time at QVC.
Absolutely. For guys and gals, I mean, I have it on again. Just
You
to
look
get
gorgeous.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
But no, I love it. Again, you can use it underneath. You can use it underneath your foundation as well as on top. And also, all of Laura Mercier primers are water-based. There's no silicone in our primers, so it's extremely lightweight on the skin as well.
You get both the larger full-size bottle as well as what we call the takeaway bottle. You're gonna pay $46 out at retail for the 1 ounce. Why not come to QVC, buy it here, and then we also give you that smaller portion with free shipping and handling. Don't forget that part. If you want that big, giant, yes, this is the setting powder size coming up in the show, and you want to try the new primer too, there's no stopping you tonight, right? You've got easy pay on everything, sale prices popping up, and more importantly, free shipping and handling. It's so funny, I have the original size setting powder in my dressing room, the super size at home, and when you pick up that super size, you gotta like get your muscles involved. It's so big. All right, we're gonna keep going with lots of new. So if you've already tried Laura Mercier,